The smartphone market has long been dominated by two major players, Android and iOS. While Android devices offer a wide range of options and customization, the iPhone's seamless integration, user-friendly interface, and superior performance make it a compelling choice for many users. After years of using Android devices, I made the switch to iPhone, and here's why you should consider doing the same. 1. Seamless integration. Apple's ecosystem is renowned for its seamless integration across devices. From iPhones and iPads to MacBooks and Apple Watches, every product works together flawlessly. Features like AirDrop, Handoff, and iCloud Keychain allow for effortless file sharing, task continuation, and password management across all your devices. This level of integration simplifies your digital life and enhances productivity. 2. User-friendly interface. iOS is known for its intuitive and user-friendly interface. The operating system is designed to be simple and easy to navigate, even for those who are not tech-savvy. The consistent design language across apps and settings makes it easy to find what you're looking for and get things done quickly. 3. Superior performance. iPhones are consistently praised for their superior performance. Thanks to Apple's custom-designed chips and optimized software, iPhones deliver smooth and responsive performance, even when running demanding apps or multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, playing games, or simply browsing the web, you can expect a seamless and lag-free experience. 4. Top-notch security. Apple prioritizes security and privacy, and it shows in the iPhone's robust security features. From Face ID and Touch ID for secure authentication to regular software updates that patch vulnerabilities, iPhones are designed to keep your data safe. Apple's commitment to privacy means your data is not used for targeted advertising or sold to third parties. 5. Long-term value. While iPhones may have a higher upfront cost, they tend to hold their value better than Android devices. This is due to Apple's reputation for quality and the fact that iPhones receive regular software updates for several years, ensuring your device stays up-to-date and secure. 6. App Store curation. The App Store is known for its strict curation process, which ensures that apps are high quality, secure, and free from malware. This means you can download apps with confidence, knowing they have been vetted by Apple. Additionally, many developers release their apps on iOS first, giving iPhone users early access to the latest and greatest apps. In conclusion, while Android devices offer a wide range of options and customization, the iPhone's seamless integration, user-friendly interface, superior performance, top-notch security, long-term value, and curated App Store make it a compelling choice for many users. If you're looking for a smartphone that simplifies your digital life, delivers a seamless experience, and prioritizes your security and privacy, then the iPhone is worth considering.